Hey, what's going on, everybody? John here with North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. This is part 2 in this video series of iron removers and or iron removing wheel cleaners. For wheel number 2, we're going to use TacSystem Iron Zero. As you can see, this wheel is a little bit wet from the other wheel next to it. We're going to spray this down. We're going to set a timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, counting down.
Oops, there's my watch. So we're going to let that count down. We're going to see how much grit and grime and brake dust and how much it turns purple. I will speed this up so you're just not sitting here for 2 minutes. All right, let's rinse the wheel. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but right at the bottom you can see all the iron particles and brake dust and stuff that is running off of the wheel. Did not see that in the first one. So let's give this a rinse. Let me get out of the way here. Now, I will say that it didn't have the cleaning effect that the MWC did. But I definitely saw, well, I mean, I might eat those words. That actually did come out cleaner than the first wheel. So let's spray it again. This time I'll spray the barrel of the wheel. I'll let it dwell for just a little bit. We're going to come in with our wheel brush, see what we got going on. I'll be blatantly honest. I believe that the Iron Zero is the best iron removing wheel cleaner we have ever used. I did some wheels on the Dodge Challenger that were chrome. They were the chrome plated plastic covers that go on these nice wheels. And I have a before and after 50-50 photo. I'm really mad at myself I didn't shoot video of this, because it was an excellent candidate for a video. I literally only spent 5 minutes on each wheel. I will find the photo and show you guys right here. That's right. This photo right here, before and after, took 5 minutes to make that kind of turnaround on a wheel. And I was sold after that. All right, let's rinse this off. It came out very nice. There's still some spots like the other one, but not nearly as much. Well, I don't know. It's pretty much a draw between the two so far. I can't see any reason to bring the DIY in here next. What do you think, folks? So far, which one do you think did the better job? Think it was the MWC or the TacSystem Iron Zero? Now, I don't know if it's just the lighting in here or the way things are. Let me see if I can pick this up. But if you can catch the reflection in that wheel, it's very chromish. And if you look at this wheel, it still looks like it's kind of yellow. I don't know. Could just be the lighting, could just be me, just because I'm anal and I used to be a painter and I see stuff like that. Maybe it's nothing. What do you folks think? This is part 2 of this iron removing wheel cleaner video series. Please leave your thoughts, comments, suggestions, opinions, whatever you want to say. Whether you like these videos, whether you hate them, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down or whatever. Once again, my name is John. We are North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. We will see you in the next video. Have a great week, y'all. See y'all soon.